Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Advocare business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. Top earners have simply studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one golden nuggets for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. You're going to learn exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to hitting the leaderboards and becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact 3-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboard for both recruiting and in terms of sales. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you in the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again, so you never have to cold message people, and this way you can attract highly targeted and highly qualified prospects to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. YouTube content creation steps. Step one, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. The internet runs on search, and you want to make sure that you're ranking your content for multiple keywords. This is done by looking at what others who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish and looking at what they've done and creating similar content going after the same keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. I'm going to leave a link in the description for TubeBuddy, so go ahead and check that link out. The YouTube content creation steps, you want to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. You want to create a coherent title using all the different keywords, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. YouTube content creation step 3 is to create a description about 300 words long, and you want to place your affiliate link at the top of the description and make sure you have a call to action where people are led to that link. You're going to end this by using canva.com to create your thumbnail and make sure you save your thumbnail as the keyword that you want to go after. Make sure you don't reinvent the wheel. Remember, it's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy verbatim exactly word for word what somebody's doing, but you want to go after similar keywords and make similar content to somebody who already has that success. 3 to 5 minutes for your content. You're going to utilize Open Broadcast System for a screen share and save the video as your keyword optimized title. You want to, for Facebook, you want to go into groups and places where people are hanging out who are in your target audience. Again, you don't want to market to everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. Your target audience are like-minded network marketers. And once you get in contact with somebody who you think might be a good prospect, you're looking at their page, that kind of thing, here's a good first message that you could give them. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. I think we have a lot in common when it comes to mindset and work ethic, and I would love to connect. It'd be great to connect with you. What exactly do you do for work? So you start off with something like that. That's a good message to get the conversation rolling. You can engage people then on your timeline by having blog posts, engaging pictures, especially pictures of your family, that kind of thing. Those are awesome. Fill in the blanks also work. I love my blank, and then have people comment below. Again, you want to connect in groups. The Robert Kiyosaki fan page, Tony Robbins, those are always good go-to groups to make good connections with like-minded people. You want to be consistent in these groups. Just be social. Just get to know people. People will get to know you from your comments and how social you are in these groups. And you'll eventually build your following within these groups. Okay? You want to be posting now on your Facebook page itself. You want to post curiosity versus resistance. So you want to post things that are essentially about your family, about your lifestyle, those kind of things, inspirational quotes, things about yourself, and not really too much about your business. Again, only 10% about the business, and that 10% might just be just results of your team and that kind of thing. Your curiosity is posted. Here's a good example. This morning I had made a great smoothie. It had apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, almond milk. Oh, I had energy all day long. So people might hear that and then ask you, hey, but what is that green powder? And now that green powder might have something to do with your business. Okay, in this way, you're leading people to the conversation without being a pushy salesperson. um, so you want more details? I left a link in the description that's gonna walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Guys, go ahead and click that link. Guys, hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.